Welcome back to some more flat top. This is some more on that Smittybilt winch I bought. It's a great winch. The mounting brackets and everything that I've used to mount it, these are not to hold it on. These are just to hold it up while you assemble the bumper and everything and put it on. They use these 4 mounting holes here to mount to the bumper and the rest of the frame. However, trouble is wireless remote. Remote didn't crap out on me. The switch didn't crap out on me. This module kind of just took a shit on me. Not 100% sure why. And honestly, I don't care. Because it kind of went to shit on me when I really needed it to not go to shit on me. I originally thought it was a switch. Just jumped it to test the switch. Switch is fine. Then I hooked it up through the pigtail and it works just fine. So what we're doing is I'm getting rid of all that. I don't like these non-staked on connectors. They're just little slip connectors, and they're all piggybacking off of one another. Real chintzy, which is weird because I took the motor apart. The motor is a what's it called? Anyway, it's a wound motor and epoxied in such a way that it's aquatic. So even if it's submerged in water, it'll still work. And it's O-ring sealed on both sides. They are powder metal gears in the clutch assembly, but the big bull gear that's pressed into the case is a forged piece, and it's put together with some really good carbon grease. So I can't complain there. It's weird. You take this away, and the winch is mint. You bring this in here, and it's like, what is this? Why is it so chintzy? This is not even Chinesium Radio Shack transmitter. It's whatever. As far as the plug and everything, it's whatever. A lot of people are probably going to ask why I drilled a hole in the bottom of the case and put a lead on it. As you can already see, those 2 holes down there. There was a hole. There's 2 holes down there, 2 holes over here. This exterior shell is not waterproof. That's not how these things are getting a waterproof rating for the solenoid box. They're getting a waterproof rating because the solenoid box is an O-ringed 4 bolts holding it together, sealed solenoid box. So that's the only way they're waterproof. I mean, there's dirt ingress, there's going to be moisture ingress, so these are going to get corroded as all hell, but I digress. As far as the wireless transmitter, it's gone. I'm not dealing with that anymore. That was kind of some bullshit. And I'm not going to drill a hole in my brand new bumper to use the top mount, which would be fine also. So what I've done here is I've already went and power probed it, multimetered it. This is going to be your standard ground. You're going to need this ground to complete the circuit. If you leave this terminal empty, you will not have a ground to complete the circuit. This one is already here. It loops around, goes to the back here, drops down to the negative post here on the back. So you already have your neutral ground for your inputs. I am just going to head and pull the power off the back lug there. You can see that heat shrink terminal end, crimp on style, goes through here, and it's going to run up to this. And I'm going to put an arming switch on the white wire, which is going to be my 12 volt in, and then I'm going to put these on something like a rocker switch. And I'm probably going to put them where the 4-wheel drive switch would be if this was a 04, 03 style truck, but it's not, it's a 98. Anywho, I went ahead and labeled these. Black wire here, the one on your right side of your terminal box is going to be your in. This green wire here, which is going to be on the left side of your terminal box, is your feed out. I can show you that right now. Which one is let me. And yeah, I'm using extension cord because it's a coated wire.